Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Bluetooth on your Ford Fusion. First, let's cover some basic checks. Always ensure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and visible to other devices. A quick restart of your mobile device can often resolve minor connection issues. Also, confirm that your Ford Fusion sync system is fully powered on. Lastly, make sure no other apps are actively using your phone's audio or call functions. If the initial checks don't work, the next step is to delete and repair your device. Start by removing your phone from the sync system's paired device list. Then, on your phone, go to Bluetooth settings and forget or delete the Ford sync connection. Now, from your Ford Fusion sync menu, select Add Device and follow the voice or on-screen instructions to pair your phone again. This creates a fresh connection, often resolving persistent issues. For more stubborn Bluetooth problems, a sync master reset can be very effective. This will erase all personal data and settings, returning the system to factory defaults. To do this, go to your Ford Fusion sync settings, then find and select Master Reset. Confirm your choice and let the system complete its reboot, which may take a few minutes. Once it restarts, you will need to repair your Bluetooth device. Finally, ensuring your sync software is up to date is crucial for optimal performance. Visit the official Ford owner's website and enter your vehicle identification number to check for any available updates. If an update is available, download it to a USB drive, typically requiring at least 8 GB of space. Insert the USB into your Ford Fusion's media port and follow the prompts to install. This can take up to 30 minutes, so ensure your vehicle is running.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.